enjoying your trip?
I'm on my way to Belize and I am exhausted. In order to fit this trip into my schedule, I worked until the very last second, 5:30 a.m. this morning. I lay down for a quick nap so that I would have time to pack before my morning flight and accidentally slept until 10:30 a.m. So let's just say this hairdo is justified and it's a minor miracle I even made it onto a plane today. Sleep deprivation aside, I am so excited to spend the next week in Belize. I didn't have a lot of time to research before this trip, so this view comes as a total shock to me. In August of 2016, Hurricane Earl devastated Belize, and even though 7 months have gone by, on much of Ambergris Caye, it looks like the storm just hit. My hotel of choice for this trip was the Royal Caribbean Resort. It's 1.7 miles from the airport, so I wouldn't recommend it for somebody who wants easy access to the port and the amenities of downtown San Pedro. You need a bike, golf cart, or a hiker's spirit to make the logistics work that far out. For only $90 a night, I got my own hut, which is adorable, quiet, and poolside. Now, I don't know where all the tourists are. I'm assuming they're either up at the beaches somewhere or they're out on like day trips or something. I don't know where everybody is. It's a ghost town. But I'm gonna go get some groceries. And I think that's all that I'm gonna try to accomplish today because I'm super overwhelmed. Wish me luck at the grocery. I worked up a pretty good sweat walking to the grocery store, and for only $13, I was able to get about a day and a half's worth of food. I got popcorn, and I got ramen, and bananas, and I got juice, and water. So that's it for day one. I'm settled in and ready to dive into all of the incredible adventures Belize has to offer. Make sure to tune into my next episode to join me.